Isigaba sesithathu sokumiswa ngxi kwentshukumo kweli lusise imbuqu kwindlela zoshishino kwicandelo lokuvelisa nezithengisa izithuthi. Njengoko elicandelo linegalelo elikhulu kwezoqoqosho kweli, kwaye amaziko avelisa izithuthi nalawo azithengisayo asebenza ngendlela ezintsha.
We have to reimagine how we communicate with our internal and external stakeholders with video communication, WhatsApp, applications, Microsoft Teams and so on becoming the standard new tools of trade. Our dealers are also adapting to the changed environment through the greater use of e-commerce platforms for selling vehicles.
Amaziko athengisa izithuthi athi ushishino lunyukile.
From the moment we opened up until this point, we had quite a successful June. It seems the customers have been prepared, they've done all their necessary research and stuff, so they know exactly what they wanted. Really good June, as I've noted. July's kicked off quite strong as well, so positive feedback from us to the public.
Ingcali zikholelwa ukuba uxinzelelo kuqoqosho lwaseMzantsi Afrika luza kuthatha iminyaka ukuvuseleleka.
And we'll see probably structural changes in demand that the industry is going to have to come to terms with. There's more than likely going to be, in fact there probably already is, given what's happened to consumer incomes and employment levels, a buy down in the market into cheaper cars, cheaper, more economical cars, and then also a switch from new to used vehicles. You could well see consumers budgeting and economizing by buying that through the top end of the used car market. Now these are issues that the industry is going to have to come to terms with.
Njengoko iqondo lenzala kwimali imboleko likwi 7.25%, abathengi banomdla.
Ngelivakalayo ithethe ukuthi lonto leyo if wena unayo imali ngecash, it's the right time to buy, lixesha elihle to buy.
Lwando nomoyi kwindaba ze SABC, disebhayi.